Now, I know Final Cut Pro has been falling behind in terms of features and innovation, but this is a game changer. Hi everyone, so in this video, we'll take a look at a feature that Final Cut Pro users have been waiting for a while, including myself. I'm talking about Person Mask, a more efficient way to mask people in Final Cut Pro. Color Finale 2 Pro just introduced this new AI feature that makes masking people in Final Cut Pro just too easy. Like seriously, it's like cheating. So let's jump right inside of Final Cut Pro and I'll show you how this amazing feature works. Let's go ahead and load Color Finale 2 Pro and test out this new feature. First, you click on Edit Layers. I will create a group because I always create a group. This way it's faster. Then I click on Layer, and then you click this icon right here, which is Person Mask. And then on display, you select Mask Input plus Mask. Then it's gonna take some time and it's gonna select the person. You're gonna see like a purple overlay over the person. Okay, so you see now the person is selected. And what's cool about that is that you see if I play the video, I don't even have to track the person. It's already done. Like, this is crazy. What you can do with this is that you just deselect the mask. You select the color wheel. You right click and invert parent mask, and then you can play around and like maybe lower the master, put some blue, put some yellow instead. Yeah, this is better. Also lower the gamma, and I'll put some blue here and desaturate a little bit the gain. So, you know, that's pretty cool. It makes like the person pop a little bit more. What you can also do is create a filter layer and right click also and invert parent mask. And you're going to create bokeh blur. This way it's going to look like it was shot at 1.8 or something like that, maybe 4%. That's crazy, right? So I just want to show you the before and after. Before and after. That's crazy. So this is just a quick example of what this new feature can do. I'm sure they're gonna improve it in the future even more. And by the way, Color Finale 2 Pro has a lot more to offer, so I suggest you go ahead and check out their website. There's a link in the description below if you'd like. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. That way you won't miss another video. So thank you for watching and bye-bye.